everyone, welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to learn anything faster and better. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock knowledge from any book in 10 minutes or less. Sounds impossible? Well, not if you follow these simple steps. And no, I'm not talking about using a blowtorch or a crowbar. Step 1. Skim the book. Before you dive into the details, you want to get a general idea of what the book is about, who the author is, and what the main arguments are. You can do this by reading the title, the subtitle, the back cover, the table of contents, the introduction, and the conclusion. This will give you a roadmap of the book and help you identify the key points. And don't worry, you won't spoil the ending for yourself. Unless it's a mystery novel. In that case, skip this step. Step 2. Scan the chapters. Now that you have a big picture of the book, you want to zoom in on each chapter and see what they contain. You can do this by reading the first and last sentences of each paragraph, looking for headings, subheadings, bullet points, diagrams, charts, and summaries. This will help you extract the main ideas and supporting evidence from each chapter. And don't worry, you won't miss anything important. Unless it's a math textbook. In that case, good luck. Step 3. Summarize the book. Now that you have skimmed and scanned the book, you want to consolidate your understanding and remember what you learned. You can do this by writing a one-sentence summary of the book, followed by a one-sentence summary of each chapter. You can also use a mind map or a graphic organizer to visually represent the structure and content of the book. And don't worry, you won't forget anything. Unless it's a self-help book. In that case, just do the opposite of what it says. And that's it. You have just unlocked knowledge from any book in 10 minutes or less. Of course, this is not a substitute for deep reading and critical thinking, but it is a great way to get a quick overview of a book and decide if you want to read it more thoroughly or not. You can also use this technique to review books that you have already read and refresh your memory. I hope you found this video helpful and amusing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below what books you want me to unlock next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.